Hi guys, I'm going to share with you photo editing without any software. Just go to this website pixlr.com. Open image, choose your photo. There is too many options. Effect, you can change your picture effect like this. Cut, how to cut. You can choose a different shapes of cutting of and the text. You can add the text. This Ali now tech. This is my YouTube channel and you can subscribe my channel. And animation, how to create animations. There is different options. They have different kind of options to create your animation. This one is basic. I'm going to advance. Just type E. Update your website and go on this website. Open image again. Click on this. Choose your picture. There is too many options. Crop, how to crop like this, cut like this, blur, pencils, how you can use the pencil. The pencil effect is here. Yes, this one you can draw, raise. If you want to raise, you can raise your photo. And text, you can add text on your photo like Ali now tech. Like this, you can add your photo. That's the way.